Yeah, most of your art, what go on? See how do you think for your page, me not lie. The video them are some real sample video them, you know. Yeah man, them real sample video them, man. Go on do your thing still. Anyway, so you remember we got talk about the whole cartel situation the other day, right? Alright, so my MP friend show me a vibe and give me 100. See? The man make me know say this is the whole cartel situation. A lot of people don't know what really and truly are going on. See? Alright, the man said, if you remember, when they have the last meet, not the first Peace Treaty meeting, the man Gully God, you know, the last one, the man said, behind the scene there's an individual in a circle. Him say Kartel no, and Mavado no. There's an individual in that circle, a big man, where him they want to have a dialogue with them, some conversation about some business thing. The man never really that entertain him. See? And the man feel disrespected. Me saw the man them left out. His comment was like, them boy they feel like them big. Alright, they will teach him a lesson. Alright, that individual, him have powers on both sides, right? And if you remember at the time, the information minister was Vybz, right? So the man make me know say, yo, Vybz know the hombre, Kartel know the hombre, Gully God know the hombre. But everybody afraid to talk who that person was. Alright, the man said if you notice from that moment, the man them career, the man them life just a go like a downhill in terms of a big problem. See, the man said we even move on a situation. And a Mavado son them really they want, you know. And him them want. He may remind me and said, I'm sure the man powerful is that when Mavado make a little speech or I think he make a post him and come to Jamaica and one boom Sunday. Same time the man them put out and say, yo, personal interest. That's how the man powerful. It no matter how much money, if you realize Gully God them rich, and Gully God still can't use it to buy him out. Kartel rich are the same thing. Now, the man say what's surprising is that, because he might hesitate, he don't want to tell me the name, but he might give me a little idea. See, because him say, if people know who they there, then do the maths and know, you know, do the evaluation and like, see who it possibly could be. Alright, so the Shelly and Curran thing, you know, nothing to do with Shelly and Curran and a man and Shelly and Curran cheat and Paul win data, all type of people and foolishness and then. You know, nothing to do with that. See? But Kartel know, and the man said, even him liar know, but people afraid to come out and talk what really and truly are going. But it's stemming from that moment. The man let me know, so listen me. Both of the man know what go on, and them know what go on the peace meeting thing there, and them know so like a vibe go on, and them know who, but them afraid to talk. That's how the man powerful. So the man say, yo, people need to do the maths, and they will try to figure out who it is. And then people realize that person and do the research and then realize it's not somebody to play with. But the man said the two of them know what go on, Kartel and Mavado, so. He said Jamaica people know what go on, but he might tell me straight say, the man did that at meeting. So, do the maths, but let me get them more info on it still and make you know what go on, is it? That's alright, man.